Do you want to hear what a black hole sounds like? I'm going to tell you from now. It sounds terrifying. But wait, how did NASA record the sound if sound doesn't travel in vacuum? Let's hear it first. Sound comes from air molecules vibrating, but space is a vacuum, which means it has no air, therefore no sound. In other words, if you're on a spaceship and another spaceship explodes next to you, you will hear nothing. However, space is full of other types of waves, like radio waves, plasma waves, gravitational waves, and so on. These are waves that scientists can measure, and then convert into sound waves through a process called sonification. Haunting, isn't it?